Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video we're going to be solving absolute value equations. So we'll start simply in problem 1 with the absolute value of x equals 4. Well, when we take an absolute value, we're looking at a distance that a number is away from 0 on the number line. So that could be, that's always going to be positive, but a negative number, like let's say a negative 4, would be the same distance away from 0 on the number line as positive 4. So if you put a negative number into an absolute value in between two absolute value symbols, you'll get a positive number because the distance is always going to be positive. So in that thought, the absolute value of x could be, well, x could be negative 4 or x could be positive 4. So when we take away the absolute value signs, we're going to put the positive and we're also going to put the negative. Okay, these are the two solutions to this absolute value equation. Okay, hopefully that was straightforward, and I think it'll make more sense as we go through and do a few more of these. All right, so problem 2, we have the absolute value of the quantity x minus 3 equals 12. So first thing we'll do is we'll take away the absolute value. So we'll say x minus 3 can be either positive 12 or x minus 3 can equal negative 12. And now we have to solve both of these to find the two solutions. So on both of these, we're going to add 3 to both sides. So if we do that to the first one, we get x equals 12 plus 3, that's 15. These 3's obviously cancel out. And then if we add 3 here, we get x equals, well, negative 12 plus 3 is negative 9. And these obviously cancel out. So our two solutions are x equals 15 and x equals negative 9 for that one. Let's keep going. All right, so problem 3, we have the absolute value of the quantity 3x plus 7 equals 28. So again, we'll take away the absolute value signs. We'll say 3x plus 7 equals either 28 or 3x plus 7 equals negative 28. And we first want to get rid of the plus 7, so we're going to subtract 7 from both sides on this left-hand equation. We'll get 3x equals 28 minus 7, so that's 21. We then want to divide both sides by 3. These will cancel, these canceled before. We get x equals 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Over here, again, we want to subtract 7 from both sides. And we get 3x equals negative 28 minus 7 is a negative 35. We'll divide both sides by 3 here. And 35 is not divisible by 3, so we're just going to leave it as x equals negative 35 over 3 as our other solution. Okay, so that's problem 3. Let's keep going. Keep going up a little bit in difficulty as we go. Okay, so problem 4, we have the absolute value of the quantity negative 4x plus 9 equals 20. So again, first step, drop the absolute value. So we have negative 4x plus 9 equals positive 20, or negative 4x plus 9 equals negative 20. Okay, next step, we'll subtract 9 from both sides. So we'll do that in this left-hand equation. These will cancel. We're left with negative 4x equals 11. And then we divide both sides by negative 4 here. These will cancel on this side, and we'll get x equals negative 11 fourths as one of our solutions. On this side, again, we'll subtract 9 from both sides. And we'll get negative 4x, these will cancel, equals negative 29. Divide both sides by negative 4. These will cancel. And we'll be left with x equals, well, negative divided by a negative, so just 29/4. So those are our two solutions for that one. Okay, let's keep going. I think I've got two more for you. Okay, so now we've got a little bit different. We've got something inside the absolute value and something outside. So the something outside we'll have to move over first. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. So we've got the absolute value of x minus 5 minus 5 equals 15. We add 5 to both sides. 5's here cancel. Got 20 here. We've got the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 20. Okay, now we want to get rid of the absolute value sign, so we're going to say x minus 5 equals 20, or we could also do x minus 5 equals negative 20. Okay, so now we add 5 to both sides. These will cancel. And we get for one of our solutions x equals 25. For our other solution, we'll add 5 to both sides. For our other solution, we'll get x equals negative 20 plus 5 is negative 15. Okay, last one. It's problem 6. Now we've got a little step up in difficulty here. We have 4 times the absolute value of x minus 5 plus 9 equals 101. Okay, so first off, we need to subtract 9 from both sides. So the 9's will cancel here. We get 4 times the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 101 minus 9, so that's 92. Now we've got to divide both sides by 4. These will cancel. And we'll do 92 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 2. We got 4 going into 12 exactly 3 times. So we get the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 23. Okay, let's move it on down. We'll drop now the absolute value sign. So we'll say x minus 5 equals 23, or x minus 5 equals negative 23. Okay, so we'll add 5 to both sides here. And we'll get x equals 28 as one of our solutions. And we'll add 5 to both sides here. And we get x equals negative 18 as our other solution. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, I'll leave links to my stuff in the description. Take it easy. Bye.